Now let me show you how to calculate the age in Excel. So the formula that you have to use equals dated if, open the brackets, then you will have to select the date of birth, then insert a comma, then you have to type today, open the brackets, close the brackets, again hit comma, then inside the double inverted commas you have to type y, then close the brackets and hit enter. Now I will change the date of birth, then you can see automatically the age is changing. So this is how you can find the age using Excel within few seconds. Now let's see how to calculate the loan installment using Excel. The formula that you have to use equals PMT, open the brackets, then you have to select the rate.